don't even know where to start. It's been a while. It's been way too long. So crazy things happened. Super busy over the last couple of weekends. Just haven't had time. We just picked up this thing right here. It's a 2005 Yukon XL Denali. So before we get started on what we've all been waiting for this whole time, we gotta do an oil change on it. So let's pull it in and get it done. All right, so oil change is done. It's hard squeezing underneath that thing, even though it's kind of nice having a rig that you can just like crawl under. But yeah, all right, so let's get the Skyline pulled in and let's finally start on all the stuff that we have to do for this. So let's get to it. Now, so that the car is in, let's go ahead and jack it up, get these wheels off, and then we'll see what we have to do. All right, so now that it's up in the air, let's go ahead and take the wheel off and see where we go. All right, so to get to the lower control arm, we have to take out the two tension rod bolts, which you cannot see. This guy right here, we have to take this guy out, and then the one bolt back here out. And then this should just drop free. After that, we gotta swap out the tie rod. That's pretty much it. So, let's get to it. Oh, nice. Now let's get the tie rods out. All right, y'all, so I finished the side. I didn't think you guys would want to watch me twist a tie rod for 45 minutes. It's late, so we're gonna be good done for today. We're gonna pick back up on the other side tomorrow. And 92 Maxima inner tie rods on R32 lower control arms with 40mm extensions works perfectly. See you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day. Today has been absolutely crazy. I was supposed to have the stickers delivered. That's right, stickers. Some of you guys got a sneak peek on those. They're supposed to be delivered today. They weren't, so that's super frustrating. I gotta go through the post office, and you know how bad that is, to get that figured out. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for them to call me back, we're going to keep working on the old Skyline here, and yeah, hopefully get this done today. So because it has toe out, that's really good. And so the other side is pretty much straight for the most part. It's a little bit toed out, but because this side is toed out, that is really good. So that means I don't have to cut the tie rods, and I can just adjust them out and actually have a good alignment. With the S14 lower control arms and the rack spacers, I just couldn't get enough adjustment out of them, and it was toed out, toed in, excuse me, just a little bit. So now I'll be able to have a proper alignment. So let's go ahead and take this wheel back up, finish up all the stuff in here. All right, so we got everything done here. We got the extended lower control arm. We have the new tie rod in. Everything's bolted up. It's tight. So let's go ahead and put the wheel back on properly and go do the other side. So I don't think I showed it for the other side, but this is the stock S14 arm, and this is a stock R32 lower control arm with a 40mm extension. Ignore the weld. It is freaking ugly, I know. But just a neat thing, I found these tie rods on Rock Auto for like $6, and they are made in Japan by 3.5, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these parts on and let's get going. Out with the old, in with the new. Wow, that looks so much better. All right, so we got everything put back together. That was horrible. I don't know why I like working on cars. I don't know, man. The wheels are pretty straight. We need an alignment. I think the steering rack needs to be recentered just because it's a little, I don't know, things were just kind of funky under there. That we can do that when we get it aligned. But for now, I didn't film the rest because, again, I don't think you guys want to watch me twist a tie rod for 45 minutes. So let's go ahead and get the car pulled out and see how it looks. So I went to try to pull it out, and oh my gosh. What? I know this fender's wrecked. We need to get some over fenders. But damn. So as you can see, this fitment is insane. It also lowered the car like an inch and a half, which is wild. So this fitment is obviously not going to stay. The camber is really nice. I do like the amount of camber it has. It's not crazy, it's not insane, but it does look really good. So we're going to probably raise up the front and then put in the HICAS or put in the HICAS delete bar. And we can take it down and get it aligned, get the steering rack recentered, and as soon as all that's done, we can go drifting. So in the next video, I don't know if it's going to be an inside one or an outside one. It all depends on how things line up. I've got like 4 videos slated to be made right now and a lot of parts to put on. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, but this ended up looking amazing. So on that note, I will see you in the next video.